Hi, thank you for joining me in my today's review. My name is Festus, a member of C7 Online Marketing Masters, an affiliate marketer and a product reviewer. Today, I'll be reviewing a product that is called Prime by Robin Palmer. So, in this review, I'll be looking at what this product is all about and how this product works. And then I'll be also giving you some of our amazing bonuses that will serve as a complement to this product. So if you stay with me, we shall be doing this in this review. Thank you. So first of all, what is Prime about? Prime is simply a software product that has been developed by Robin Palmer to help you to get traffic to wherever you want to get traffic in your business. It is a software product that works mostly in Quora, and Quora has more than 300 million users. So it is monthly users. So it is easy for you to get your traffic there, and they have made it in such a way that's going to be an autoplay software. All you need to do is follow some guidelines, simple steps, get your link to wherever you want to send it, attach your affiliate link and send it to wherever you want to send it to. And then when you now incorporate this to your to the Prime in Quora, what it does is that it will help you to be writing text and automatically, and the people will be seeing this and be writing, and from there you'll be gathering your traffic from there. So they say that this is being done in just with different just a few steps, three different few steps, 1, 2, 3. So what you have to do is you secure your license before this offer expires, the first step. And then once you get this Prime, then you log into this Prime, you add any link you want your traffic to, where we show you inside. So you add it where you add your link to wherever you want your traffic to, and that is your affiliate link. And then you watch as real buyers start clicking and converting in as little as 2 minutes. So real buyers will be coming, they'll be seeing these things that has been translated, because when you add a link, you choose your topic, you choose the things you want, and this app will help you to write down these things that you have chosen, and then it will be like an article, and then people will be seeing it, they'll be writing, they'll be writing and commenting, and it will be helping you to get users, people to come in and to see these things and to write and to comment. And when these things are happening, they'll be requiring people to put their emails address as well. So when they are doing this, you are gathering a lot of traffic just doing that, and you don't even need to be present writing or typing anything, and this will be happening automatic with the help of this software. Now in the members area, we have access to review this product, and you have a lot of tutorials, you have a lot of things that will assist you, you have a lot of traffic training, you have overview, you have upgrades, you have a lot of premium bonuses from the vendor. And this product is very good, but it also has some flaws based on the fact that it's all about traffic, and therefore we have don't need to worry, because we have our bonuses as a cover up for you, which will help you to generate profits, and that's why I put up these bonuses for you, so you can generate profits. We have our CPA here as well, so you can make profits. We have our list building bonus tutorials, so you can also build email lists and so on and so forth. We have a lot of tutorials here, up to 5 bonus tutorials for you as a complement to this Prime, and then plus the exclusive vendors bonus here that you can also make use of exclusively from we have it exclusively from Parma, the vendor bonuses. So all these bonuses are from us, and it starts as a complement to your Prime product. And if you think you need this product to boost your traffic, so that you can start, when you boost your traffic now, it will not become easy with the help of our bonuses for you to start making headways in your affiliate marketing and in your online marketing. So if you need this, you need to go down to our go down to our YouTube video channel and click our button there, our affiliate link there, and so you can get this product. Please also don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels. Thank you very much, and see you in my next review. Thank you and take care.